I think you are searching about wire stripper, and obviously, the best one. Beside that, following thing, are you looking for? Need good quality wire stripper? Need free shipping wire stripper? Looking for wire stripper cutting all kinds of communication wire? Looking for wire stripper made with automatic, high-quality steel? If the answer is yes, then let's go, and stay until end. We are just reviewing the top 3 best automatic wire stripper. Number 1. WLXY automatic wire stripper, and the feature is material, high-quality steel. Feature, versatile 8-inch wire cutter, fine-tune the nut, cut off copper, and aluminum wire. Type, Decrustation pliers. Plier style, Chinese. Handle style, straight. Let's go for number 2. CNLX automatic wire stripper, and the feature is material, chrome vanadium. Plier style, European. Head, zinc alloy. Handle, PP+TPR. Length, 205 mm. Let's go for number 3. KALAIDUN automatic wire stripper, and the feature is material, chrome vanadium. Features, professional design, beautiful appearance, easy to carry, suitable for different areas. Type, Decrustation pliers. Plier style, German. Uses, cutting all kinds of communication wire.